I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
You have the app installed and permissions granted. Now open it and connect to the camera via Wi-Fi, USB, or Bluetooth. Once paired, enable live view so you see sensor output on your phone. This lets you evaluate exposure. Make sure the lens and tripod are secure, then switch the camera to manual mode and dial a conservative shutter speed, base ISO, and starting aperture. These first steps establish control so adjustments predictably affect the image. With live view active, check the histogram and highlight warnings to refine exposure. If highlights clip, increase shutter speed or reduce ISO, and if underexposed, lengthen exposure or raise ISO. Then choose focus mode. Set a single point AF for static subjects or switch to manual focus with peaking to fine-tune. Once focused, enable RAW capture for maximum latitude and set white balance manually or enter a Kelvin value to prevent color shifts. These adjustments ensure clean, editable files for final grading. You're ready to finalize. Trigger the shutter with a remote or the app's timer to eliminate shake, then inspect a test frame at full zoom for sharpness and evaluate the histogram for correct exposure. If something looks off, make incremental changes to shutter, aperture, or ISO and retake until satisfied. If the app loses connection, first toggle airplane mode or switch cables, then restart the app and camera. This simple reset resolves most pairing or streaming failures quickly, letting you continue shooting.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.